Form Builder – creating the new form. In this video, we'll take a close look at creating web forms on the QuintaDB service. There are three ways to do this: use ready-made templates, import the file with the table, and create it manually. In the first case, you can choose a ready-made template, which you can use immediately, or you can edit form to fit your needs. Using import, the system will automatically create fields in the form accordingly to the table columns from your file. Now let's focus on creating a form from scratch. For example, I'll create a simple form, a sales report for shop. The first need to create a form and specify the name. Next, we get to the form builder. Here I need to add fields. The seller will enter his name in the first field. I specify the field name using the single line field type and clicking on the Create button. Next field gonna be a product name with the same field type. And in order not to return every time to the form builder, I will click on the Create and Add another field button. To be able to enter only numeric values to the product code, I will select the number fields type. The seller can choose a product's warehouse, so I create a drop-down field and specify the values, one per line. The next field is the sale price. The type is decimal. Very important to add the field with date and time. I use a field type with the same name for it. As a result, we have this form. You can edit each of these fields, just click on it. Here I can change the field's name, specify the default value, and enter the instructions for users. Inside validation type, I can set this field can be blank and specify the minimum and maximum number of characters to enter. To save the changes, click the Update button. Please note that the red star appears next to the field name. This means that the field can be empty. There is a faster way to make a field required. You need to click on the three dots icon to open the context menu and mark the field as required. I do the same for other fields. I can drag the field from one line to another using the drag and drop method. Just hold the pointer on the cross icon and drag. In the same way, I can change the field's order and pull the fields to a separate line. To sort the fields vertically, you need to hold the mouse pointer on the vertical arrow icon. The last thing I want to change is the text on the Submit button. The form is ready for use. I'll go to the Preview tab to check it out. All form fields are filled. To view the form records, you need to go to the Record menu. I will tell you how to work with records in the future. In the meantime, that's all. Subscribe and follow up. As always, you can find more detailed information on the QuintaDB.com.